Hey guys, and welcome back to your girl Brittany. Thanks so much for hanging out. If you're not a follower of me on Instagram, I'm not sure what you're waiting on, but it was announced that I am part of the design team for the Fairytale Club. Yay! I actually absolutely love Andrea's stuff. It's just so fun and it's just so stinking cute. So I just received my first design team package, and this is her brand new collection that is called Truth, Beauty, Freedom, Love, and it has like that 1920s vibe to it. And I already have my idea for my first project already in mind, so I cannot wait to share that with you guys because I really was just waiting on the paper to go ahead and put it all together. So let's go ahead and take a look. If you guys don't know anything about the Fairytale Club, I mean, it's all in the name itself. It's very cutesy, girly, dreamland, very mystical and whimsical. But this one is a little bit different from it, but still not far from what Andrea does. And she also does do like subscriptions and stuff like that. So just like other companies have like monthly kits that you get, like when you'll receive like the new collections and stuff like that. Andrea does the same thing with the Fairytale Club as well. So if you go ahead and subscribe and be part of her kit subscription, you would receive pretty much something like this. So the first thing we have are some flare buttons. These are too stinking cute. Look at these. Aren't these adorable? We have this cute flower here. We have the little vintage telephone. We have a typewriter. We have this butterfly, the little heart here. Then we have this, look at this cute, that moon is too cute. And then this one says beauty. Oh my gosh, I just love those. And then here we have the ephemera pack. Just look at the colors. Like here is everything that is included in the ephemera pack. So you get 46 pieces. And one of my favorite things about the Fairytale Club is how it's so inclusive. And so you have pretty much every kind of girl that looks like you. But I'm just going to take out a few pieces. Oh my gosh, let me take out this flower. Look at how pretty. Look, it's so vibrant. It looks different on camera, but the colors, like, it kind of gives you like that watercolor feel, that watercolor look. But like, these are just so stinking cute. Look at them. They are so pretty. And then look at this butterfly. Amazing. And then look at the, oh, this is just so stinking cute. I love this so much. I think this is amazing. Amazing. I'll put that all back and its stuff in a little bit here. And then here we have a variety pack. So we have like some cardstock pieces, we have transparency, and then we have foiled vellum. So that is super cool, and it comes with 46 pieces. So here's like the foiled vellum. Here, let me get. So here is the foiled vellum here. So it has like love, creativity. We have the really pretty flowers in there. And then we have the transparent pieces. I don't want to ruin anything because I hate breaking the seal until I'm ready. And then like we have like all, like, look at the colors. The colors are amazing. And then like look at the little brown girl. Like, come on, so cute. We got a Latina up in there. Yeah, girl. Like, representation. I love it. So that is that. So stinking cute. Absolutely love it. And then here we have like some journal type cards. I believe these are like I want to say these are 4x7. Yeah, 4x7. And it says Truth, Beauty, Freedom, Love. And then we have like a little flapper there. And then we have this pretty flower. And then have the background of the music notes. How gorgeous. And then this one says, remember the past, don't repeat it. Just take with you all that was good and leave the rest behind. Hold tight to beautiful and bright memories of far away places. Remember the magic and wonder of days before. Close your eyes and dream for such adventure tomorrow. Oh, it's awesome. And then we have One of a Kind with that beautiful butterfly. I just love the colors. And there was once a beautiful... Wait. There was once a beautiful and vibrant land filled with lavish glamour, music, art, nature, imagination, and love. It was a piece of wonder and dreams, but also truth. Here all were free to be themselves, to be happy. Let's go there again. So, such beautiful words. And then it says, Bohemian Girl. Oh, so pretty. And then the truth, beauty, freedom, love. That beautiful moon there. And it says, La Luna. That's moon in Spanish, in case y'all didn't know. And then truth, beauty, freedom, love. Oh, and there's one more with the gorgeous typewriter here. And it says, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Oh, love that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So that is that. And then we have these really cute acrylic pieces. So it has glamour, a heart, moon. We have the little starburst, love, art, and a butterfly. So it comes with 7 pieces. So I just want to give out, like, these are super cute. You know, this would be, oh no, I am so sad that this one broke. No. So this is definitely going to have to go on a project so I can glue it back down. Oh no. Oh wait, there we go. Oh, she ain't feeling so glamorous anymore. But it's really cute though, because you know I can go ahead and use it like as a dangle, because there's a hole punched in there too. So that is really, really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad about my glamour. It's a hard day, hard day. All right, and then we have some I can't talk. A clear sticker sheet. So it says, remember this, so special, love this moment, one of a kind, look back, but move forward, create beauty, truth, beauty, freedom, love, beauty is bold, bohemian girl, classy and sassy. I think the moon is like my favorite part. I don't know why, but it just really is. And then look at how, just like, oh my gosh. So you get 30 stickers. And then here we have some foil, silver foil, like vellum. Look how pretty that is. That is super pretty. And so on to the paper collection. Look, these colors are just so amazing. And we just have like cute little girls. We have like the little feathers in their hair. We have the guest checks here. So these are like all these fun like cut apart pieces that you can use. Memory, truth, love, beauty, freedom, vintage. Oh my goodness, you have a train check. We have some claim tickets. This is so cute. Now on the other side we have like this fun like geometric style here. And then we have some cut aparts. So we have like the 20s. We have this cute boat here. We have the swan and butterfly. It says one of a kind. We have a camera here. Another butterfly and a rose. And then you flip that over. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh, I love this. It's just so cute. And then this is one of my favorite ones that has the music notes on there. It's a little bit more like whitewashed, like faded look. But this is so cute, and it says, this is your song. I didn't even realize that there was names on them. So this one's called Classy and Sassy. This one's called Vintage Beauty. This is your song. And then you flip it over. Oh my gosh! Love this page. Love this page. Oh, this is so cute. I love this page. And then this one's called True Love with the hearts. And then you have like the watercolors going on in the background there. And then you flip her over and it like looks like fans. It's really cute. And this one's Midnight in the Garden. This is so beautiful. Love those flowers. And then we have this beautiful page here. And then it says, I am a bohemian girl. So we have all the little lovely ladies with the vintage phone and cameras. This is so cute. Love this. Did I flip? Yeah. Oh no, I didn't flip it. And then this one we have like the little hands here, the little wristlets. This is so cute. And then this one's a black and white. It says natural beauty. Like, and if you are a person who colors, like, you could definitely color these images before placing it to where you need to. And then, oh my gosh. Okay, so this one has to be like my second favorite one. So I really love the houses and everything. But then I really love this one too. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then this one's truth, beauty, freedom, love. So we have like different, like the vintage and classic, like the old school cars, and then the typewriter, the little phone there, dancing. Oh, this is so cool. And then the phones. Oh, I love this one too. Oh my gosh. I don't know which ones I like most. And then La Luna. Again, the moon. And that is so cute. I just love the color. And then turn it around. Oh my gosh. I love this one too. Oh, that is too pretty. Absolutely love it. Again, Andrea and Ryan, thank you so much for letting me be part of the team. Make sure you guys check out the Instagram so you can see the other ladies who are part of the team as well if you had missed that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back in another video to show you all my first project that I have made with this collection. So thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.